to the opening here. Market's up, mostly because of the, some positive, at least what the media is spinning it as at this point, positive China tariff talk. So see what happens there. We'll run through our list of things. Again, this CRE up here, guys, that you see up $1.84 this morning, I wish that was the case. I don't think it is. I think that's just kind of a one-off print, and that's what it's showing there now. So we'll see where that opens. Okay, BABA moving up nicely, and that again is on the heels of the China tariff news. CRE, okay, we still have that GTC exit order from yesterday, guys. All right, I imagine that we will get filled pretty quickly this morning. If this thing, even is just up a little bit, we should get filled pretty quickly. So that'll be good. Remember, that's just on the calendar spread, not the vertical spread. Okay, we have a short call expiring, most likely worthless in eBay today, which will be great. We'll max out the premium on that, and we'll decide what we want to do, if we're going to roll that, sell another option against our long option. So we will take a look at that.